came up the attic. This is the HVAC unit. So there's two things that you're going to be doing here on a regular basis. Right here, this is where your filter gets changed. I'm going to latch it open. So this unit has two spaces. Right now they have a 20 by 25 by 1 inch filter. I recommend when you move in, get rid of that, because if you use a 1 inch filter, you have to change this every month. Instead, I recommend you get the 20 by 25 by 4 inch. If you get the 4 inch, take out the 1 inch and put the 4 inch right here where my fingers are at. That's the slot for the 4 inch filter. With the 4 inch filter, you can change that every 4 to 6 months. When you change that 4 inch filter, I would like you to bring 1 cup of bleach and pour it in either one of these. That's to prevent it from clogging up and to help maintain the system. And this is your gas shut off if you ever needed to shut off the gas. Other than that, you don't need to do anything else up here.